back to Gideon Corrections. I'm Eddie, and we're introducing a new segment called Eddie's Corner. I'm Eddie. We are Venom. Today we're gonna make Venom. First we start with his head. You can do his eyes first. And make sure this is a lot more bigger. And you can draw his tongue a lot more bigger if you want. You don't have to. Now we're going to start with his belly. I do it like this. Now we're going to do his spider. Now we sort things there. There is sort things there. And now we're going to do his arms. Sharp. You got sharp. Now we're going to start with his legs. They're white. This is what he shoots out his webs. Now we're going to color it in. First, we're going to start with his head. And this is called the color black. His claws are white. Make sure you don't color these claws because those ones are gray. Now we're going to use gray. Make sure you don't forget the claws, because those are called gray. We need black one more time. Now we're going to use red. This is his tongue. Lips. And don't forget, these are red. And we're going to need his pencil for something else. His webs. And don't forget his webs, because his webs are important. Yeah, they're important. I'm gonna cut them black. And we're done. That's how we draw Venom. How's your Venom turn out? Find me on Facebook at Kitty Correction. Just like this video and give it a thumbs up. And keep your eye open. And for more segments at Eddie's Corner. You can just come right here. Thanks for watching. And God bless. Eddie Creations. Surveillance. Today you're seeing a new segment called Eddie's Corner. I'm Eddie. Today we're gonna draw Venom. We are Venom. Man, that's how we draw Venom actually. Oh, well, once I find Spider-Man, do funny stuff. Put it by me. Push it by me. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. But he does call Eddie when he's normal. Nope. My middle name is Eddie. That's right. Will I see me on the TV? Who are your favorite guys? And sit up. Well, Ed, are you done? Now what do I say? Thanks for listening. How was you fun? Bye. You're turning it off. Venom man, swings the Venom man into the Venom man. Na na na. Here comes Venom man, Venom man, Venom man. Here comes the